Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel RT Dashcam. As you already know, here on this channel, I share my road trip stories, travel experiences, route maps, and a glimpse of the places I explore just the way I see them. And today, I'm taking you on a special ride through the heart of Kolkata to the iconic Alipore Zoological Garden. We're starting our journey from Barrackpore Railway Station, one of the oldest stations in India, opened way back in 1862. Total distance of our trip is around 29 kilometers. And right next to it is Sukant Southern Auditorium, a familiar spot for political meetings and cultural events in this area. More than the destination, it's the memories along the way that make a journey unforgettable. And this route, through the soul of Kolkata, is full of stories waiting to be seen. From the towering Tala water tank to Muhammad Ali Park, the majestic Raj Bhavan, the Shohid Minar, Eden Gardens, the elegant Victoria Memorial, the iconic Kolkata Racecourse, and even the legendary University of Calcutta, every landmark has its own tale to tell. So sit back, relax, and join me as we drive through the heart of this incredible city. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. We are now cruising through SN Banerjee Road, and here we are, stuck for a moment at Chiriyamore traffic signal. This busy junction connects several important roads: SN Banerjee Road, Barrack Road, Pipe Road, and of course, the main BT Road, Barrackpore Trunk Road. From here, the road will be more or less straight all the way till Shambaja. On our right, you'll see the West Bengal Police Sports Club at Latbagan, a familiar landmark in this stretch. Just up ahead on the left, BMRC Hospital, serving locals for years now. Now we're passing through Titaga. If you look to the left, that road, GC Station Road, goes directly to Titaga Station. And here on the left is the CESC Titaga. It used to be an active electricity unit once, but it's been shut down for quite some time now. We are now in Khardaha, just cruising through. Right ahead, this is something historic. The Great Trigonometric Survey Tower, built way back in 1831 under the legendary Sir George Everest. Yes, the man after whom Mount Everest is named. Right next to it, on the right side, stands the famous Raja Biscuit Factory. You might have heard of their biscuits. They're quite popular in Bengal homes. We've hit a bit of traffic here. This is Sodepur main traffic mode. It's always a busy spot. The road on the left leads straight to Sodepur station. And now we're driving under the Belghoria Expressway and Dunlop Rail Bridge. If you look right, just about 800 meters in that direction is the famous Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Above us, that's the Dunlop right turn bridge. We are passing underneath it now. From here, this road takes us through Boraho Nagar towards Shambaja. I'll continue this journey in the next part. From here, we'll head straight towards Alipore Zoo. So far, we've covered the stretch from Barrackpore Junction to Dunlop Bridge. Hope you enjoyed the ride till now. If you did, don't forget to like and stay tuned for the next episode. See you in the next part. Till then, take care and keep exploring with RT Dashcam.